Good afternoon everyone. Myself Chaitanya R. And myself Minchu R. We are the students of Arvind International Residential School, Kunigal of ICSE HS2A. Today we are here to demonstrate a simple experiments based on chemical reactions and its examples. Types of reaction. Direct combination reaction. It is a reaction in which one or more element combine to form a compound. Example, Fe plus O2 give rise to Fe2O3. Decomposition reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which a compound give rise to an substance called element. Example, 2HGO give rise to 2Hg plus O2. Displacement reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive element. Example, Zn plus CuSO4 give rise to ZnSO4 plus Cu. Double decomposition reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which both reactants decompose as to give new two compounds by exchanging their radicals. Example, CuO plus H2SO4 gives rise to CuSO4 plus H2O. Precipitation reaction. It is a reaction between two compounds in aqueous solution state to give two new compounds, one in which one is insoluble substance known as precipitate. Example, FeSO4 plus 2NaOH gives rise to Na2SO4 plus FeOH taken twice, in which FeOH taken twice is a precipitate giving rise to dirty green precipitate. Neutralization reaction. It is a reaction between two compounds, that is acid and the base, which gives rise to salt and the water, known as neutralization. Example, NaOH plus HCl gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. Now, I am going to give a simple explanation about neutralization reaction by taking acid as in vinegar and a base as in bleach. Let me take indicator as a beetroot juice. Let me add 2 spoons of beetroot juice to a vinegar. You can observe that the color change. This says that beetroot indicator reacts with the acid. Let me do same thing for the bleach. Let me add 2 spoons of beetroot juice. You can observe there is no change of color. This says that the beetroot does not react with the base. This concludes that beetroot as an indicator reacts with the acid, that is vinegar, and does not react with the base, that is bleach. Neutralization reaction. So I am showing here a neutralization reaction. It is a reaction in which acid and base combiningly give salt plus water. So I have taken a 2 glass of turmeric water without addition of any other substances, and acid as in lime water, base as in detergent. So let me take lime water 1 spoon and add with this turmeric water. No change takes place. But when I add this detergent to this turmeric water, it changes into a red or orange color. So we can conclude that when the base is added with the indicator turmeric, it changes into the red color. So let me put again a lime water and see the color change. Again it comes back to its original place or color. You can observe that both are the same color, which was first I took a turmeric water. So we can conclude that when we add acid, lime water to an turmeric water, no color change takes place. When we add base to an turmeric water, it takes color change and as a red, and again if we add lime water to the turmeric water which contain a red color solution, and again it comes back to its original place, is an indicator. Direct combination reaction. It is a reaction in which one or more element combine to form a compound. Now my friend Chaitanya R is going to give an example by taking of an iron.
As my friend Minchu said that taking iron as an example, I am going to demonstrate a simple experiment as an example of direct combination reaction. I am taking iron and Fe. When it is exposed to the atmospheric oxygen, you can observe that the rest forms on its outermost surface. And when it is exposed for so many days, you can observe the rest forms fully on that nail. By this we can conclude that Fe, when exposed to the oxygen, it changes surface. And when it is exposed for so many days, you can observe the rest forms fully on that nail. By this we can conclude that Fe, when exposed to the oxygen, it changes into Fe2O3, an insoluble substance that is known as rest. The reaction is Fe plus O2 gives rise to Fe2O3. Resting.
We thank you for everyone.